One.
Okay guys, hello. Today we're going to be playing Doubloons.io and let's get into this. SSS Doubloons, please don't kill me. You seem like a really nice person. Basically what you have to do in this game is you have to collect all these coins and buy upgrades for your ship. I think it's a really fun game, so that's why I'm playing it. Again, if you find any game online that you'd like me to play, then you should just comment down below in the description. I don't know what I'm saying. You should comment down below to tell me what you want to get from me. Like, what content you want me to have. Stupid frog! I'm gonna have rear cannon. Just if anybody's behind me, I can shoot their faces. Now, towards the center, there's more valuable coins, like diamonds. Ooh, SSS Doubloon. Oh. Oh, please don't kill me. Oh, no. I need to get to the center, somehow. So I can get those delicious diamonds. Delicious. Okay, you can hire fishing boats, mine droppers, battleships, and man of war. Those are all different types of fish. There are all different types of boats that you can get. Fishing boats collect all the coins around you, but they can die, which kind of... I really don't like that. Hi guys! Yes, that's sister. I'm getting a lot of money from that little ship. You see, it gets me my experience.
Oh, cool, yeah.
And he also gets me... Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Turn. Gotta slow down to turn this quite a bit. Thing is, when you turn and go really slow. There's some big guys towards the center. But if they go away, then I'm taking a run for it. I'm about to come on to somebody. Let me get front, and I'm gonna get chase cannons. Very useful. No, please don't kill me, please don't kill me, please don't. No. Poops. Dead. There's not just this, there's also some other things you can do in here. Turning! And if you can see at the bottom, there's a percentage bar. You have to collect more money to make that go up, and then you can get more things for your ship. When you get more things for your ship, I believe it doesn't cost any money, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Excuse me. Burp. I have to be careful towards this end, because there's bigger people. Oh gosh, oh no. No! Okay, so there's not only this, there's also a team deathmatch, which I think is bester. Bester? I can't talk. I think it's better. Better because it is useful to be able to go with your team and get to help people out, and it's just really fun. Turn this way. Okay, now speed up. Get the diamond. Get the diamond. Yeah, diamonds for life. Oh, okay. I might want to get reload speed and move speed up, and then I'm gonna get 3 fishing boats. Oh, I'm gonna get 2. Well then, a mine dropper. There we go. He drops mines wherever I am. Ooh, we should probably get rear cannons. Rear cannons will be mine dropper. Oh, I can also get another one. Gonna get a deck auto cannon. That'll be pretty useful. Get all the things for me. What's going on? Your video is buffering a lot, Dad. Oh, look, I don't know what to call it, what it's called or whatever, but the thingy up there, it says tdm.doubloons.io. I never even noticed that. That's pretty cool. Pretty epic. Oh, I think my mine dropper died. No, he cost like a lot of money. My mine dropper did die, and there's that guy again. I can't help it. It's my autocannon. Get the diamond. Get it. Run. Get the diamonds. Run away. It's a bad guy that's trying to kill my friends. Okay, let me make turn speed up, move speed up even higher, cannon damage, cannon range, auto repair is really high, whole strength, need a lot, like quite a bit, that many. Yeah, that's good. Now I have a huge hole. The hole, like the hull of a ship, you know? Scatter cannons? What do these do? Ah, they make it go even farther out. Get the diamond, you stupid AI! Thank you. Thank you. They're a bit dumb. Move out of my way. I just need them to get me a bit more money, and then I can go do some stuff with my money so I can upgrade my things. I have a really high whole strength. Yeah, can range even high. Yeah, and that's the maximum because that's a 40. Yeah! It's gonna take me a while to get up pretty far. I'll probably upload a second part of this. If the video ends before I can get somewhere. The ship is like the slowest thing in the universe. Come on, hurry up. This thing is, you know, it's at almost maximum volume. Maximum. Even though it's like, oh, run this way. No. Don't do that. No, bad cannon. Oh no, please tell me my fleet aren't dying. My fleet are awesome. No. No, I'm running away. Please don't. Oh, I'm probably gonna die. No. This way. No. Oh, poo. Well, I think at that note, I think I'm gonna end the video now. But that's pretty fun. You should definitely try playing this game. I give it a thumbs up. It's pretty cool.